friends. You may have noticed a new trend taking over your Instagram feed. Your friends are turning themselves into digital art with the help of an artificial intelligence-generated app called Lensa. Here's how to use Lensa, the chart-topping app that uses AI to transform your selfies into digital avatars. The Lensa app uses artificial intelligence to turn selfies into different styles of artwork like anime and pop art. Lensa first launched as a photo editing tool in 2018, but last month the company released a new feature called Magic Avatars and Quad. These AI-generated digital self-portraits turn you into works of art in a variety of themes, from pop to fairy princesses to anime. Here's how to try it for yourself. Lensa operates using the open-source image generator called Stable Diffusion. Let's get started. Download Lensa AI for iPhone or Android. Open the app. Click the Photos tab. You'll see a yellow button that says, Magic Avatars, and App Pose. After you click Continue, you'll be asked to upload 10 to 20 selfies. The app recommends using close-ups, pictures of adults, a variety of backgrounds and facial expressions. It advises users to avoid group shots, kid pictures, covered faces and nude pictures. The app says, photos will be immediately deleted from our servers after the avatars are ready. And Quad. After selecting 10-20 selfies, you'll be asked to select your gender. It's time to pay. If you're a subscriber, prices are 51% off. So 50 avatars cost $3.99, 100 pictures cost $5.99 and 200 images cost $7.99. After 20 minutes or so you'll be notified that your avatars are ready for viewing and saving. You'll receive avatars in a variety of different styles like fantasy, fairy princess, focus, pop, stylish, anime, light, kawaii, iridescent and cosmic. It'll warn you that there may be inaccuracies in images, like defects and artifacts, so you have to acknowledge those terms before you continue. Some of these inaccuracies include creating images with multiple heads or limbs. This didn't happen to me, although I did see some pictures that generated 2 different eye colors. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos like this.